Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today we'll be taking a look at these Gucci eyeglasses model GG1138O in color code 003. The color of the frame is burgundy, and these glasses are a square shape. On its bottom right lens, you'll find the Gucci logo in gold. The temples are also burgundy, and you'll also find the Gucci logo in gold on its temple. This is the inside of the frame, and this is the other temple. On its inner right temple is the Gucci logo in gold that is made in Italy and the serial number. On its inner left temple is the model number and color code of the frame and dimensions. 52 is for its lens, 20 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Gucci hard case, although color and style may vary, and on the inside of the case is the Gucci logo in gold, a Gucci dust bag, also with a Gucci logo, a Gucci authenticity envelope, and a Gucci white and black cleaning cloth. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these frames or any other frames, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.